The seed to the STILRIDE story, it was planted back in 1993 when I made the first electric scooter. This was actually the result of the love of old scooters. My name is Tove Beyer. I'm an industrial designer and I'm the founder of STILRIDE. I've been in the vehicle design business for 20 years. I spent a long time developing a sports car together with the legendary Giotto Bizzarini, who was the father of the 250 GTO and the Virginie V12 engine.
My name is Jonas Lindberg Nyvang. I'm the managing director and co-founder of STILRIDE. The mission with STILRIDE is to build the world's most attractive and sustainable electric scooter. Tu is a childhood friend of mine. When I saw the sketches, I found I gotta be part of this.